Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve errors detected while saving Excel error. This error appears when using VBA in Excel spreadsheet. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix errors detected while saving Excel error using 7 fixes. Solution 1. Rename the Excel file. The very first solution you can try is renaming your Excel file. Ensure that the file name should not contain more than 218 characters. To do so, go to the location where your faulty Excel file is saved. Then, right-click on the file and rename it. Solution 2. Change the default file format. Trying to open the file with a different or incorrect extension may cause this error. To fix the error, try changing the Excel default file format. To do this, open Excel, click on the File menu. On the left panel, click on Options. In Excel Options window, under Save Workbook section, click on the Save Files in this file format drop-down. Select a supported file format. Click OK. Check if you can open your Excel file. If not, try the next workaround. Solution 3. Disable Excel add-ins. Sometimes, corrupted Excel add-ins might cause issues when working on the spreadsheet. To fix such issues, disable these add-ins. For this, open Excel and click on the File menu. On the left panel, click on Options. In Excel Options, click on Add-ins. Under Manage, select Excel Add-ins and click on Go. Disable the add-ins one by one and see if the problem is resolved. Solution 4. Edit the Excel file permissions. If you're encountering errors detected while saving due to permission issues, you can try changing the group permission settings of the Excel document. To do so, locate and right-click on the file that won't open and click Properties. In the File Properties dialog box, click the Security tab and then hit the Edit button. When the Files Permissions dialog box appears, click on the Add button. Click on the Advanced button from the Select Users or Groups window. Select Find Now. A list of all users and groups will get displayed in a search results box. Choose Everyone group from the list and hit OK. You can see the Everyone group in the Enter the Object Names to Select text box. Click OK once again to return to the Files Permission dialog box. Click Everyone from the Group or User Names box and check all the checkboxes under Allow. Click on Apply and then OK. Now try to open the Excel file. Solution 5. Open Microsoft Excel in safe mode. The next solution you can try is to open Excel in safe mode. To do so, open the Run dialog box using Win+R keys. Type Excel/safe and press Enter. Microsoft Excel will now open in safe mode. Solution 6. Use Open and Repair tool. The Open and Repair is a built-in MS Excel utility that allows you to repair the corrupted Excel file and solve the error. To run this tool, you have to ensure to close all the Excel files. Open the Excel application. Go to the File. Then Open. Under the dialog box that opens, click on the Browse to choose an Excel file that is showing this error. Once you have selected the file, click on a small drop-down arrow next to an Open button. Click Open and Repair. Then Repair. Solution 7. Use Excel Repair tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve errors detected while saving, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, This is all about fixing errors detected while saving Excel error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.